Course in General Linguistics essayist, Ferdinand de Saussure, the father of modern linguistics. Ferdinand de Saussure, 1857 to 1913, was a Swiss linguist whose ideas laid the foundation for structuralism in language studies. Ferdinand de Saussure's Course in General Linguistics, 1916, is a foundational text in modern linguistics and semiotics, compiled from lecture notes by his students after his death. The book revolutionized the study of language by introducing structuralist principles that later influenced diverse fields, including anthropology, philosophy, and literary theory. Key concepts and analysis. 1. Language as a structured system. Saussure argued that language, lang, is a structured system of signs, governed by rules and conventions, rather than just a collection of words. He distinguished this from speech, parole, which refers to individual usage of language. 2. Sign, signifier, and signified. One of Saussure's most influential ideas is the concept of the linguistic sign, which consists of signifier, the form of the word, sound or written symbol, signified, the concept or meaning it represents. Importantly, the connection between signifier and signified is arbitrary, meaning there is no natural link between the two, e.g., the word tree has no inherent connection to an actual tree. 3. The principle of difference. Meaning arises not from inherent qualities of words but from their differences within the system. For example, the meaning of bat is understood in relation to other words in the language, not because of its intrinsic qualities. 4. Diachronic versus synchronic linguistics. Saussure distinguished between two ways of studying language. Diachronic linguistics examines historical language changes over time. Synchronic linguistics focuses on language as it exists at a given moment, which Saussure emphasized as the more scientific approach. 5. Lang and parole. Saussure separated lang, the structured system of language shared by a community, from parole, individual speech acts. He argued that linguistics should focus on lang because it represents the underlying structure governing language. Impact and influence. Saussure's ideas laid the groundwork for structuralism, influencing thinkers like Claude Lévi-Strauss in anthropology and Roland Barthes in literary criticism. His work also contributed to semiotics, the study of signs and meaning making, later expanded by Charles Peirce and others.